Hagabayday bakajing sya asyat yab uba roning nong kendri ekishpai BSF hagasan terik ujemang arhajar arpulai hajan kasnong mausyun. Umentri rangba ulong bula dat betha yu investigating officer banwa digajing shisha bat ban IT ya kakai pot ke bapura halor kene gajingja. Kumta kat ba ompat yo kakai pot ke bapura bat gajing tip gajing shisha kamlong ke bayha ban keren ai. Laban kedau bahag kami jong kesan terik ujemang arhajar arpulai kishpai BSF kiberan hapedeng gejing pahara kelasiat kawai gatrok. Bada kene gejing ja ba roning nong kendri laipu arsenam karta ubanya ya kene gatrok ula klat asyan.
We have asked the investigating officer to find out the facts and give us a full report on this, on what happened and under what circumstances it happened. Hence, without getting the detailed report and the factual report, it would not be appropriate for me to comment. So I'm sure the Deputy CM in charge whom will be able to give you more details. But as of now, we have asked the investigation officer to give us a report.